Woodworking as a business. Advice for startups. If you're anything like me, building beautiful things out of wood is gratifying and fulfilling. It satisfies the creative urge. You are somewhat of an artist, and beautiful wood is your canvas. And you have already created a number of pieces, either for yourself, or as gifts for friends or family members. There is an unlimited number of products you can make, and, as your skills increase, you naturally begin looking for new ways to use those skills. It is at this point that many woodworking enthusiasts begin thinking about starting a small business of their own. But is woodworking, as a business, a viable option today? Yes, it certainly is. And in fact, now is an excellent time to start your own business. The economy is slowly starting to move again, after widespread lockdowns. Plus, you have a terrific opportunity to sell your creations online, to customers around the world. Don't take this for granted. Clearly, this was not always the way. Today, it is dirt cheap to market your wood creations, and reach far more interested buyers than at any time in history. The more developed your woodworking skills, the more widespread your opportunities. But you don't need to be the most highly skilled furniture or cabinet maker to succeed and make good money in your own woodworking business. The reason is simple. Building products from wood is only part of the process of running a business. Once you turn your interest, or hobby, into a business, you have to start to think like a business owner. If you want your own woodworking business, start where you are, and with whatever you have. From day one, consider your woodworking venture to be a business, first and foremost. You don't need to have every machine and woodworking tool on your wish list just to get going. In fact, you might never have everything you want in your shop, simply because there are always new tools and machines being developed. If you can produce a single finished product, with the tools you have now, you can create several of them, and start selling those pieces to customers. Build the best quality products as efficiently as you can. Quality, handcrafted items will always be in demand. But you need to craft your products in a way that generates a nice profit for you. Factor in every contributing cost, and always allow for a healthy profit. You also need to be mindful of what customers are willing to pay. Look around for similar handmade products and see what they're selling for. Total your costs for all materials, plus labor, and add a comfortable profit to the selling price. Then strive to create a better system to lower your cost per piece, as much as possible. This will give you more flexibility, so you can lower your price to be more competitive, or add to your own profit, and earn more from each sale. Everything, or a piece of it, that you purchase for your business, is an expense that should be documented, and the receipt saved. Find out what's hot in the marketplace by observing items that are selling well. This is easy to do, and, for a more detailed explanation, check out my most recent video, linked below. If you decide to take on custom orders, be sure to charge more for those products. After all, they take more time, and buyers understand that custom work is going to cost more money. Look for opportunities to turn one-time customers into repeat customers, and, even better, advocates for your business. If you sell your goods on a third-party platform like Etsy, include a note with each shipment. Offer a small discount on their next purchase. And invite buyers to connect with you by visiting your website and/or subscribing to your email list. Spread the word about your business. Use social media effectively to share what you have to offer. Local community groups on Facebook can be effective. So too is Facebook Marketplace. Pin your designs on Pinterest and tweet relevant messages on Twitter. There are multiple platforms available for you to use. But the key to the vault is consistency. It's better to choose one social media platform and use it consistently, rather than use multiple platforms once or twice. Whatever you ultimately offer, make it your mission to satisfy your customers. Happy customers come back to buy from you, again and again. They also tell others about their new acquisitions, and where they discovered them. This is the best kind of marketing you can get, and yet, it doesn't cost you a penny. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing. If you are interested in more money-making tips and techniques for your woodworking business, check out our top recommended resources, and visit our website, listed below the video.